Hello, ma'am. Here's our menu. And you can call me if you're ready to take your order. I'm just gonna be there.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. You're ready to take your order.
I order baked scallop for appetizer. Um, and pumpkin soup.
How about your salad, ma'am?
For the salad, I order Caesar salad. For my main dish, I would like to order beef tenderloin.
Ma'am, our beef tenderloin is best paired with red wine. Would you like some Carlo Rossi with a glass of wine?
Okay.
How about for dessert, ma'am?
Um, I think I'm not in the mood for dessert today.
Ma'am, we have a new addition on our dessert. Our drink cake. Would you like to order a slice of drink cake?
Okay. Serve me one slice of drink cake, please.
Okay, ma'am. May I repeat your order, ma'am? For your appetizer, you order baked scallop. For your soup, you order pumpkin soup. And for your salad, you order Caesar salad. And for main dish, beef tenderloin. What would you like for your beef tenderloin, ma'am? Is it rare, medium, or well done?
I would like to medium rare, please.
And for dessert, ma'am, you order a slice of drink cake.
Yes, please.
Okay, ma'am. Is anything you want to add, ma'am?
No.
Okay, ma'am. Our serving time is about 15 to 20 minutes. If you wanna add some, anything I can do, ma'am.